New Mini RC Drone, compact, foldable, fun for easy flying. The new Mini RC Drone is a compact and user-friendly quadcopter, perfect for beginners and casual flyers. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, while features like Headless Mode, one-key landing, and auto-hovering simplify flight, making it a great choice for anyone looking for an easy-to-fly drone. Key features: foldable design. The drone's arms fold inward, making it small and compact for easy storage and transportation. Headless Mode. This feature simplifies flight orientation, especially for beginners, as the drone's front and back become irrelevant. One-key land allows the drone to safely and automatically land with the touch of a button. Auto-hovering. The drone can maintain a stable altitude without constant throttle input, making it easier to capture photos and videos. Mini and lightweight. Its small size and lightweight make it ideal for indoor and outdoor flying. Box width. Mini RC Drone. Remote controller. Drone battery. USB charging cable. For spare propellers. User manual. The new Mini RC Drone is designed for easy and convenient flying. Its foldable design makes it highly portable, allowing you to take it anywhere. The inclusion of features like Headless Mode, one-key landing, and auto-hovering ensures a smooth and hassle-free flight experience, even for first-time pilots. Whether you want to zip around your living room or capture some quick aerial shots outdoors, this mini drone is a great choice.